Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can either exclude or include the Spotify playlist that you listen to from your music taste profile. So whenever you listen to a playlist, it won't show in like your music taste profile. I guess that's what it means. So for instance, there's this playlist that I listen to, so I can right click and it says exclude from your taste profile, and it says this playlist won't affect your listening activity and stuff like that. I hope you can just read it, just pause it to read what it excludes the playlist from. So, but if you want to include it again, you can absolutely do that by pressing the right click again and selecting include in your taste profile. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!